Most people are confused about how digital demo value works and how agencies actually use it. Today, we'll demystify this concept, breaking it down into simple, understandable terms for everyone. Flash funds are essentially temporary digital value, specifically designed for demos, system checks, internal testing, and comprehensive training scenarios. Crucially, these are not blockchain-verified coins. They exist purely as a simulation layer. They are primarily utilized by digital agencies, testers, trainers, and workflow teams to safely simulate transactions without real-world implications. Think of Flash funds as a controlled environment for rigorous testing. There's no real blockchain confirmation, no irreversible movement of assets, just a secure demo layer for effective workflow training and validation. Digital agencies leverage Flash funds for several highly practical and strategic reasons. Firstly, for payment testing, ensuring their systems can handle diverse transaction types smoothly and efficiently. Secondly, they're invaluable for client demonstrations, allowing agencies to showcase functionality and user experience without any real financial risks. Thirdly, Flash funds facilitate internal staff training, providing a safe, hands-on environment for employees to build and refine their skills. Fourthly, they are perfect for software workflow checks, enabling teams to verify processes end-to-end. Finally, they are used for system load testing, simulating high-volume scenarios to assess system resilience. It's all about logic, clarity, and risk mitigation in professional workflows. In practice, the operation of Flash funds follows a simple, secure, step-by-step process. Initially, the user inputs their digital wallet address into the system. Following this, the system promptly generates a temporary value, which is then visually displayed for testing or demonstration purposes. Crucially, there is no actual blockchain confirmation involved in this process. Once the intended workflow or test is successfully completed, the temporary value automatically expires, ensuring no lasting impact. This mechanism is precisely why agencies prefer demo value for safe internal use. It guarantees no financial risk and no permanent movement of real assets. To acquire Flash funds, the buying process is designed to be straightforward, secure, and exclusively online. You begin by navigating to the official website, buyflashnow.com. Once there, proceed to the pricing page to explore and choose the plan that best aligns with your specific requirements. Next, you'll either create a new account or log in to an existing one. Then, you can proceed to checkout, utilizing the secure payment methods available. After a successful payment, you will receive an immediate confirmation. If necessary, a support member will arrange a verification call or Google Meet to finalize details. Finally, your selected plan is activated, granting you access to the demo value. It's important to remember that the entire process is handled through our official website only. There are no WhatsApp sellers, no direct messages. It's strictly official and fully traceable. For your safety and to maintain professional integrity, it is paramount to adhere to crucial advice. Never, under any circumstances, purchase Flash funds from random direct messages or unverified sources. Always verify the platform through official channels to ensure authenticity and security. Remember to use demo value strictly for its intended purpose, workflows and testing. Consistently stick to official channels for both the authenticity of your purchase and to receive reliable, professional support. Your security and the integrity of your testing environment depend on these practices. For verified access and a clean, structured buying process, visit the official platform, buyflashnow.com. Learn first. Decide smart. Stay safe.